Hey, Eric here from Games for Hyper, and today I want to show you a devlog of something that a lot of you have been waiting on, and that's a global save system. We have this map here, right here, explains how it works, but basically let me first show you some examples and then show you a technical example on how easy this is. So let's make a new game, let's call it save.01. Okay, now we are in the map and we are have created the save game right now. And in the upper left corner you can see I have buttons to say save the game with C, press G to load, and if we want we can also have a selection menu like this. So we are now back at the screen again. It was saved when we entered this map, so I'm going to load that specific save. And now we are again here. So let's pick a couple of things up. So like this, but not that one. So now I'm going to save the game while standing here. I'm going to run over here, and now I'm going to load the game. So it's loading the last save, and that will mean that we will spawn back to the place where we were. And these specific items are now gone, and we are still in our inventory. I can also move things or split things like this. Let's save it and load it again. And it will mean that also the inventory is automatically saved. So let's check it out. Yes, and it is. So that works, and I'm really happy with that. We also have equipment, which is also like an equipment slot. Oh, in this case, I don't have my equipment screen right here, so that will not be saved. And I'm able to change things like this. Save it, load it. And everything will be saved. The equipment is also saved. Nice. So as you can see, this works perfectly. It also works with PCG. This is like an example PCG volume, and these are removed from that instance. We can save that, and also that we can load, and that will remain the same instance. You also saw it respawning just a couple of seconds ago. And that will mean that these, now we have loaded this, is also respawning. So that's great. So let me show you quickly how this works. Basically, this is a plugin, and the plugin is able to serialize data. So what does it mean? It means that we can now give checkboxes of the save game checkbox of variables and click on this is a save game variable. And what we have is we have a saveable actor and a saveable component and things like that. Interfaces. When we implement this interface on an actor, it will automatically look for all the variables that needs to be saved. And when it's loaded, then the variable is also loaded. So in this example, we only have saved a current index value. So 1, 0, 1, 2, etc. And on load, we are updating it based on the value that we get. We did not save the specific color because this is just a predefined set. But it is loading it in from the color. And basically that is how you are going to save things. And that is being done via a save manager that we have set on the game mode. And basically what that one does is getting all the interfaces, things like that, and tries to manage it all. For also, let's check out our character because that one is interesting. So here we have our pawn. And in this pawn we have a couple of components. And we want to save this inventory component. So if we open up this inventory component and go to the class settings, you see it as BPI saveable component. And a lot of the variables, like obviously one of the most important one, like the inventory slots, has the save game. And now it is saved from that specific save game. So that's it. And now you can just save everything like that. It's really easy. Obviously, it also has a lot of complex scenarios. However, that is quite manageable. I hope you enjoy this. We will release this soon. Obviously for free in MSD Pro. And I hope you enjoy it. If you have questions, please reach out. Bye. Congrats, you have reached the end of this video. And of course, always feel free to reach out. For instance, in the comments below via Discord or mail. And don't forget to check out our website and Discord. I'm happy to talk to you there. Have a nice day. Bye.